If I had to describe this experience in 3 words, beautifully transcendent culture. Hi, I'm Saskia Owen. I go to Bard College from upstate New York, specifically Rochester, and I study photography at Bard. I really wanted to study at SRISA because I heard about the arts programs here and about the community, and I just knew that it was going to be what I needed. I am taking 5 classes here at SRISA. I'm taking jewelry making, which has been really incredible. I really love my teacher. She is just an incredible professor for making me try new things every single time. I'm sewing right now, which I wouldn't normally think is jewelry. I'm also taking a figure drawing course, which I've never drawn before, so that's been pretty interesting too. I'm also taking an Italian cinema class, and then I'm also taking food and culture. The fine arts education has been more influential because of the fact that I'm in Florence and I'm able to go and see these incredible sites and museums and just learn from them directly and not just see them in images and pictures and actually just go out and have field trips in my classes and just go to an incredible museum and draw the David for figure drawing. One of my photography projects is I'm going and meeting artists and artisans and just asking them questions and learning about their work. This is a piece I made in my jewelry making class that is especially meaningful to me. So these are actually an outline of Dutch houses. They're these porcelain blue and white houses that my grandfather used to collect. They're still on my uncle and my mom's shelves. My grandfather passed away a couple of years ago before I actually got the chance to meet him, so I decided that I would make something that would be able to bring me closer to somebody I never met. I made it out of bronze. Basically just had to carve this whole thing out, and then I drilled tiny little holes into it and carved a couple of doors and windows in and came out looking like this. To other students, I would say that SRISA is an incredible place to meet artists and to study in an incredible art capital of the world. It has been a truly incredible experience to just meet new people and make really incredible friends from across the world that I will hope to keep